Is your Toyota showing a pre-collision system malfunction warning on the dashboard? Don't panic. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to diagnose, fix, and reset the pre-collision system without spending money at the dealership. The pre-collision system, also known as PCS, is part of Toyota's Safety Sense technology. It helps prevent accidents by detecting vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles ahead. When you see a PCS malfunction or PCS unavailable message, it usually means one of the following. The front radar sensor or camera is dirty or blocked. The battery voltage is low or unstable. There is a wiring or connector issue. Or the system needs to be reset after a fault. Before resetting the system, try these quick fixes. 1. Clean the Toyota emblem and windshield camera lens using a soft microfiber cloth. 2. Check your battery condition. A weak battery often triggers PCS warnings. 3. Inspect the fuses and connectors around the PCS module for damage or loose connections. 4. Turn off the vehicle, wait 30 seconds, and restart it to see if the warning clears. If the warning remains, follow these steps to reset the system. Method 1. Reset through the dashboard settings. Step 1. Turn the ignition on but do not start the engine. Step 2. Press the menu button on your steering wheel. Step 3. Go to Settings and select PCS. Step 4. Choose Reset PCS and confirm. Step 5. Turn off the car and restart it. Method 2. Reset using an OBD2 scanner, which is the most effective method. Step 1. Plug the scanner into the car's OBD2 port. Step 2. Select the ABS or PCS module from the menu. Step 3. Clear all fault codes. Step 4. Restart the car and the PCS warning should disappear. If the warning still comes back, the issue may be with a faulty radar sensor, a damaged PCS control module, or a calibration problem with Toyota Safety Sense. In this case, you may need a professional Toyota technician to perform a sensor recalibration. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your Toyota model. I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot.